Good morning, Vikings.
You can sign up now for the next 9-week driver's education class. This class begins next Tuesday, November 3rd. Go to room ST7 before school to sign up. Space is limited to the next or first 32 students, so sign up ASAP.
There is a mandatory boys basketball meeting tomorrow during lunch in the Blue Gym. The winter season is right around the corner, and there is information you need if you are a guy and want to play basketball at South Tahoe High School. Don't miss this meeting.
Are you interested in a career in medicine, science, or technology? You should attend the Summer National Youth Leadership Forum. Go get some information in the College and Career Center.
Here's another opportunity for you if you are interested in the medical field. The Barton Junior Volunteer Program is starting again. Get packets to volunteer at the Skilled Nursing Facility or the Addict in the CCC.
Want to earn over $10 an hour this November and December? UPS is hiring seasonal workers. Apply online or at upsjobs.com.
Heavenly is hiring. Go get information today in the CCC.
Go see Miss Nelson to apply for the Violet Richardson Scholarship.
Hopefully you took some time to visit Carl Hanf to Herf Jones yesterday to see what he has to offer you for senior year, such as ring, announcements, and other things. Make sure you tell your parents what you would like to order because next Thursday, November 5th, he will be back on campus between 5:30 to 7:30 to take orders in the Gold Gym.
Tomorrow is Wednesday. Wear purple to help support the end of domestic violence. Stand up against violence in our community and wear something purple.
Here are your lunchtime club meetings.
The Creative Writing Club meets today in Berkshire's room B4.
S Club meets in Miss Tilson's room B8.
Generation Green meets in Mrs. Bedwell's room ST1.
And now for today's athletic events.
Boys soccer is away at Truckee.
Both girls volleyball and girls soccer are here against Truckee. All of these teams really need you to come support against us, against our rivals.
Woo. Volleyball begins with freshmen at 4, JV at 5, and varsity at 6. Volleyball is after the JV game, probably actually around 6:15.
Girls soccer begins with JV at 3 and varsity is at 5. The soccer team is playing for the league champions today, and they really need you to come cheer for them in support.
Come have fun watching both girls soccer and volleyball tonight.
Come to our lunchtime activities today out in front of the Student Union to support our games today.
Have a great day, Vikings!